Now we are going to create a Instagram account for a business page what you have been created in a Facebook. In Facebook you have been created a business page. For same business page we can create a Instagram account. Go to Google and search for Instagram. You'll get a instagram.com. Select that one. We'll go to a Instagram here and say here login with the Facebook. Login with the Facebook. Go to login with the Facebook. Then give the login ID, Facebook login ID, and password, and say login. It has been taken to Facebook login, and now it is asking would you like to get a access to your Facebook account. Okay, Instagram want to cloning is nothing but we are matching your Facebook details with the Instagram details. We say continue as name. You can create a username. We'll say Beta Academy. We'll give the password and say sign up. Username is invalid. Another username we can give the say sign up. Okay, username can only be user letters, numbers, underscores, and periods. So, can we use Beta Academy 365? Check. It will take time to sign up because all the informations will be cloned. In the sense, whatever the page information is there, same information will be taken. Here we say turn on. Okay, notifications. Okay, same thing. Whatever the Instagram account you have in a your mobile, the same way we can operate here. You can start follow the suggestions they have been given. Okay, anyone you like to follow, you can follow from here home tab. If you like to message with communicate with anyone, you can start message to your contacts here, to whom you have contacts. Right now we don't have followed anyone, so we'll not be able to message anyone. Okay, then you can also search for the content here by using this particular option. Okay, you can search for the content how you are searching in a your Instagram account similarly. And you can check who are all following you, who are all requested. These details here it will be there, and here you can change the account settings. Okay, we'll show you how to do the account setting and all. The main purpose of creating an Instagram account is nothing but to get your business right, is not because of for a like uh, your personal purpose. This one is used for a business purpose. Like we already created a page, business page in a Facebook. For same page we are going to create a Instagram account. Later we will connect it together. We'll check that is there connected together or not. If it is connected, whatever the post or whatever the ads you are creating in your Facebook account, directly it will be posted in your Instagram account also, so that no need to worry about managing these two accounts separately. For that reason we are going to create both the accounts, and we are trying to merge these two accounts together, so that whatever the activities we have been done in Facebook will be reflecting in your Instagram account also. And you can also follow the people here itself. You can search and you can follow the people whom you like to follow for your business account by using this particular option, home option. And you can communicate with your contacts by using a message option, and you can check any thing your contacts has been shared or the general content. And here you can check anyone requested to join your or anyone following your Instagram account. That is not your personal account. Here we are telling you that it is about a business account. Okay, we'll show you how to optimize your profile picture and all in a next video.